In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a folder of assets into Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a whole batch of images, videos, or other files into Canva so they're ready to use across your projects. First, open Canva. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Projects. This is your central library, where all your designs, folders, and uploaded files live, so it's the perfect place to keep everything organized from the start. Inside Projects, click Uploads. This section is dedicated to everything you've brought into Canva from your computer. It helps you keep track of what's already available to drop into designs without hunting through different places. Next, click Upload Files. This opens your computer's file browser. Navigate to the folder on your computer that contains the assets you want to bring in. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct folder, especially if you keep multiple versions of your assets. Select multiple files from the folder. On most systems, you can select a range by clicking the first file, holding Shift, and clicking the last one. To pick and choose non-adjacent files, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each file. Canva supports common formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, GIF, MP4, MOV, and PDF, so feel free to include a mix if needed. Click Open to start the upload. You'll see progress indicators in Canva as each file is added. Larger files and videos can take a bit longer, so this step may vary based on your internet speed and the size of your assets. While uploads are in progress, it's best to keep the Canva tab or app open and avoid putting your device to sleep. Wait for the files to finish uploading. When you no longer see spinning indicators or progress bars, your assets are fully available. If anything fails, you can reselect that specific file and try again. Once everything is in, organize files into folders if needed. Grouping by client, campaign, platform, or file type can save a lot of time later. Consistent naming, like adding dates or versions to file names, also helps you find the right asset quickly. Finally, use your uploaded assets in your designs. Open any design in Canva, go to the Upload section in the editor sidebar, and you'll see everything you added. Click or drag assets onto your canvas, resize or crop as needed, and you're ready to create with a neatly managed library.